Namaste. Welcome to Mudra learning series. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. On this festival of lights, I hope that you are all blessed with peace, prosperity and happiness in abundance. Diwali is celebrated as a 5-day festival in many parts of India. Day 1, Dhanteras. Day 2, Naraka Chaturthi. Day 3 is the Lakshmi Puja. Day 4 is Govardhan Puja and Day 5 is Bhai Dooj. Today, I will tell you a small story related to the 4th day of Diwali celebrations, the Govardhan Puja. Little Krishna woke up one morning and saw that his mother and all the members of his family and his neighborhood were getting ready to go for a puja. Krishna asked his mother, Yashoda, where they were all going. Yashoda replied that they were going to perform a puja to please Lord Indra, the king of Devas. Indra, it is with his blessings that we get abundance of rain, because of which our crops grow in the fields. Our cattle feed on these crops and grass in the fields and then give us milk. You know all this, right, Krishna? Yashoda asks. Krishna replies, yes, but mother, I do have one doubt. You see that mountain, the Govardhan mountain? The cows go there too. I take the cows there too and they graze there. Correct? Why are we not doing a puja for Govardhan mountain then? Why only for Indra? Krishna's words were heard by the people of the village, and they too wondered if the little boy did indeed say the right thing. They all decided that they would go to the mountain and express their gratitude and do a puja. All of them proceeded to the mountain. This came to the knowledge of Indra, who was furious. To show his anger, he sent lightning and torrential rain. It rained non-stop. Soon, all around there was water filling up, rising up. Seeing this, the people of the village were very disturbed and worried, and they all went to Krishna seeking his help. Krishna was not worried. He took all of them and together they went near Govardhan mountain. Once there, Krishna with his little finger lifted that huge mountain. Then he called all the men, all the women, all the people of the village, all the animals, all the living beings of the village and gave them shelter under the mountain. They all stood there taking shelter from the rain. Indra, for 7 days, continued to send the rain down to the village. Krishna, for all those 7 days, stood there without moving, holding up the mountain with his little finger. Finally, Indra's ego, his arrogance, was broken as he realized that the little boy was indeed divine. From that day, Govardhan Puja is believed to be observed to celebrate this victory of Lord Krishna and for people to show their gratitude to Govardhan mountain.